So I'm doing another review with Prezantar. Prezantar is making simple presentations instead of using PowerPoint or other old-fashioned way of making presentation slides. In today's economy, we have quick softwares, faster process, and Prezantar is one of them. And you can make amazing, simple presentations. And right now there is a hot Christmas gift sale. If you use the coupon code Santa, I encourage you guys to get it because it's very, very, very dirt cheap right now this month. So get it as a Christmas gift for yourself. If you're a business entrepreneur or internet marketer or affiliate marketer or whatever you call yourself, if you do a lot of stuff online, I would recommend you get Prezantar. Okay, especially if you're a teacher. I wanted to share with you about Teachingly. Teachingly is a great, great place where you can make online courses. And if you want to take your business to the next level, get this. Okay, so I'm going to go into Teachingly, and you have to get Prezantar in order to get into Teachingly to get your own. Okay, so if you're a member of Prezantar, you'll be open to the opportunity of making your own online courses. It's 10% off with the coupon Prezantar. And this is an all-in-one tool to build and grow and sell your video courses. Okay, so get started. I actually have my own. This is my back office. This is the dashboard. Okay, I'm in a few cells, and I'm going to go to my courses. Okay, so I have so far uploaded 3 courses. It took me a while to do all this, but I will be promoting more courses. I just got Teachingly. I simply love it. There's tutorial videos here, and Adil goes through all of this. These are the videos right here. How to create your teaching profile, activate PayPal, activate Stripe, course listing overview, the student's view, add your course, adding modules, adding lessons, adding resources. Then you have bonuses, creating coupons, course reviews, countdown timers, tracking pixel, assign teacher profiles, promotional badges. You can test your purchases before you go online, going live, orders and reports, viewing students, manual orders, and revoking access. You have every video. He will go through it. You also have a boot camp. Now this boot camp, you have some videos. These are you do have to pay for this. When you go in your back office, you're not going to see these for videos. Okay, he teaches you how to structure your courses. So this is an additional tool that you need, and I recommend it because it's really good. It'll give you some ideas. Now, if you're an entrepreneur, marketer, and you know how to do this, you don't have to get it. But it is included. Adil is the speaker here. He's a great entrepreneur, marketer. So he knows everything. He shows you how to do everything. You can take your Prezantar and make presentation slides and using Teachingly at the same time. You have to go into Prezantar in order to get this. And it's right here. All right, everyone. Hope you guys have a great day. And take your business to the next level. Anything is possible. Bye for now, and ciao.
Happy holidays. Make slide presentations easy, no more using PowerPoint. You will love this product from Adil Chowdhury. Software cost is $97, but using the coupon Santa this month, December 2023, it is $19.40. Grab yours today and save with $77 off.